Oh. I am allergic to life, and spring is bad. Good morning. Good morning. Shit. I'm so tired. It's currently 10:41 on Tuesday, April 16th. But it is springtime, so I'm going to be getting ready with you guys this morning. Usually I try to wake up around 10 because I don't go to work until noon. So I usually try to get up around 10 so I can kind of have time to get everything figured out and play with my dog and stuff. Okay, at least my room's clean. My bed's not made. Usually I turn on my speaker in the morning so I can play music and be more awake, but I can't do that because I'll get copyrighted. Alexa, I'm gonna play it while I'm putting my makeup on and stuff, and then I'll see you. Country music for warmer weather even though it's so gloomy outside. I need to take my dog out. I'll be right back. Hey. Okay. Let's get dressed and then do my hair because it's so icky outside. It's definitely spring because it's so rainy and gloomy outside. Let's get dressed. Hey, welcome to my closet. I literally have no idea what to wear because like all my spring stuff is like warm and it is so icky out. So I want to wear a sweater, so I was kind of thinking of just wearing this blue one and then pairing it with some leggings. But I'm burned, so I don't know if I want to wear leggings. But you know what I don't have? Socks and underwear because they're in my dryer. Ta-da! Yep, she's a full one. Lovely. Lovely. Bingo. I'm gonna make my bed, fold my clothes, and then put them away. Okay, doing my hair is so simple. I literally just take it out of this and run my fingers through it. Bonnet hair. Bonnet. It's so funny when it comes out because it just sits. Oh gosh. There we go. I pull these front pieces back down where they're supposed to be. Loose hairs out because I shed like a dog. My dog doesn't even shed. Oh, I need deodorant and stuff. Thanks for reminding me. It is hot in here. I don't know how it got so hot. I was freezing earlier. And my Frenchie parfum. Lovely. Alright. That's pretty much it for my bedroom. But I'm hungry. I look like I just woke up. Probably because I did. Yum. It is so icky outside. Let me just show you this real quick. I keep sneezing. I literally am so allergic to this weather. Not even a joke. You can see the wind blowing the rain on the ground. I hate rain. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm trying to freaking yap. Today's Tuesday, so I have to leave in like 20 minutes, so we're doing good. But I'm hungry as heck. Come on, eat. And I wish this had multiple slots because I want 2 bagels. But I don't want to wait to cook 2 bagels individually. You know what I mean? Un bagel. Alexa, how do you say 1 cup of orange juice in Spanish? Un vaso de jugo de naranja, por favor. Cheers. My favorite word that I learned in Spanish class was guacala. Guacala. Anyhow, the sun is not coming up, but it did get a tiny wee bit brighter. I'm gonna put my dishes away because I'm responsible. Responsible. Missed my Awala so much. I can't even lie. I love my Awala more than I like my Stanley. Cause like the straw's in the middle and it's so much cuter. And like the Stanley is metal and icky and this one's not. I love my Awala. Put a boot on her from Target. Cause she is a Target girl. Bagels y un vaso de jugo de naranja. Alright, I'm gonna eat this. And then I'll see you in like 2 seconds when I'm ready to get out the door. Every single time I get my stuff together to go to work, I'm always running late. I have never done this process without running late. Alright, morning routine. Check everything, turn all my lights off. Come in here, grab stuff I need for work because I want to edit this video while I'm at work. So I'm just gonna bring this thing. And then I'll take the SD card out of the camera when I'm done using it. It is so icky out. I'm wearing my rain jacket and my rain boots because it is pouring outside. And I live in the Midwest, so like, literally a tornado warning. I think, tornado watch. I should know the difference between the two, but I never have and I never will. Look how icky. There we go. Look at that. It is so windy and icky out. Ew. Ew. I'm gonna absolutely cry when I go outside. This is terrible. Where's my dog? Where's he at? He has gone out and ate his food and pottied and played with his toys. Now I'm gonna let him run around while I go to work. Okay. Okay, I'm running late. My camera just died, so I gotta go. I literally have to go. Everything's done. I have my computer charger because I'm gonna edit this video. I have my computer in my purse. Boom. Drink a Red Bull. I got my bagels because I don't want them to blow away or get wet in the rain. And my Awala. We're chilling, we're chilling. And my cutie little rain boots. Let's go. I'm gonna zip this up though because I'm not trying to get soaking wet outside. I'm so late. She should understand why I'm late. It's literally gross outside. Phew! Yep. And of course today's just the day to sneeze. Okay, goodbye River, I love you. I see you later, okay? Be good. Okay. I just went through a huge puddle. It is spring, and this is what happens when it's spring. It rains. It rains all day, every day. Actually, we were very lucky because Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, it was literally 80 degrees, sunny and warm everywhere. And now it's Tuesday, and it's 50 degrees and rainy and humid and cold. I'm allergic to every season, so it's not even seasonal allergies, it's just me. Tornado stuff, I'm going to work anyway. Allergies, lightning, allergies all day, every day. It's been thundering too. That's all I have for my morning routine. Happy spring. Still spring, okay? Summer doesn't start until June, so I have time. Okay? I gotta focus on driving in the rain to go to work. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more of me, some more spring content. Yeah. Made it this far, I love you, and I'll see you next time.